Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Gnome Reviews here. This morning, we're just going to take a quick look at the Elite Ammunition FN57 Mark II Gen 2 magazine spring. So, on the right here, we have a factory FN57 Mark II magazine spring. So this is a magazine that this is the spring that will come factory in your FN57 Mark II magazine. This is the replacement, the Elite Ammunition Mark II Gen 2 magazine spring. The reason I'm taking the time to show you guys this magazine spring is I was having issues running full magazines of subsonic ammo, 55 grain specifically, in these Mark II Gen 2 magazines with a full 20 round magazine. With the lighter ammo like 27 grain SS198 LF, I never have had issues. With the 27 grain stuff, it fed fine with the factory magazine. But the heavier ammo, like this 55 grain FN SB193, I prefer to use the Elite Ammunition magazine spring because it assists in feeding. You don't have as much. The Elite Ammunition magazine spring has 15% more tension than the factory spring, and that it helps with feeding and longer. It'll assist in longer life of your magazine in the long run. But I've been swapping these springs this morning with some of my mags, so that's why I wanted to take a minute to show you guys these. I'm not going to take up a bunch of your time. I'm just going to point it out again. This is the factory FN57 Mark II Gen. This is the factory FN57 Mark II magazine spring. So you'll see it has like a more of a grayish silver color, where the Elite Ammunition Gen 2, the Elite Ammunition FN57 Mark II Gen 2 magazine spring, you can see if you compare it, it's a little bit thicker, and it also has like a bronze gold color rather than the gray. So anyhow, I just wanted to take a quick couple minutes to show you guys these magazine springs. I highly recommend, if you have a bunch of these FN57 Mark II mags, I highly recommend getting some of these Elite Ammunition Mark II Gen 2 magazine springs from Elite Ammunition. I'm not affiliated with Elite Ammunition in any way. I just really like the company's products, so I wanted to share it with you guys. Anyways, huge shout out to Elite Ammunition and my buddy Matt, Buffman Range. If you have any 5.7 related questions, I recommend referring to my buddy Matt, Buffman Range. But I'm not going to take any more of you guys' time. I really hope, if you watched this far, I hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you next time. Gnome Reviews out.